Dhar Kapatisi TV. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka khot admission na kabanta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala itho da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but she's pa percent ka Jingkhot. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Usembut Menteri Rang Baka Jalaba Singap Halang Dhar Ulaong Baka Jingkhot Pelong Ka Voice of the People Party Ya Ka Jingïalang Paj Ba Motphran Halor Ki Babun Ki Mat Kan Thup Ru Ya Ka Project Ha Ka Daulin Nong Lumpong Deng Kalong Tang Ban Khroh Vut Na Ka Benta Ka Election MP Teng Samway Ha Shillong Lok Sabha Constituency Ha Ka Jingkhot Bagilap Thai Kubor Ba Dhar Ulaong Ru Baka VPP Kala Khot Ya Ka Jingïalang Namar Ba Kala Sedang Ya Ka Jingïalap Ya Ka Election MP Teng Samway.
Yesterday, the statement from Deputy Chief Minister and the statement from Motphran is very clear, and exactly it's happened like that only. You see that public rally and all these things by VP, they're starting campaign because of the by-election MP, simple as that. And we also are going to start campaign only, maybe by next one. That is a part of the agenda to campaign. No, that you see, every political party is their duty to campaign for the by-election. No, maybe they want to use as a by-election agenda. That is up to them. No, obviously, you see, actually, we are almost. I always welcome development. When that's supposed, but now they're locally, so the government is listen to the voice of all these Jingkhot, from the body sick, and you know very well Motphran kept the statement very clear yesterday, and exactly that we solve the issue.